Banter fam, what's happening? Nice bounce from the market. Bitcoin sitting at $99,000. Get ready for another short squeeze, baby. We've been on the other side, right? When everyone's been getting pretty bearish. It did get a little bit scary on Monday, a little bit early in the week. But we stuck to our guns. And I hope you guys just took a little bit of advantage of the specials. Now, I know portfolios are recovering, right? That's the main thing. But I hope you took some advantage of the specials that was in front of you. For example, if I look at my main account here, right? And I look at this count over here. This one's now getting back to 600,000, which is good. This one I've been rolling with you guys since 250K, right? But I said, I'm not touching this thing and I'm not doing anything different. I'm in these positions and I'm holding for the bull market, right? However, the market is cheaper. You have to take advantage of specials. So what did I do? I sold off a tiny percentage and I opened up a Bybit account, which is now $98,000 up from yesterday. Okay, so now if I take this account now and I add it to that one, I'm already nearly back to where I was because I took advantage. Then I went on a smaller account and I said, okay, let's go. I took $6,000 and now that's sitting on $17,000, right? So what it teaches you is you can either be upset sometimes when the market gets a bit cheaper, or you can zoom the hell out and understand that we're still in a big bull market and there's a lot of opportunity. So today I want to outline that there is a massive short squeeze on Bitcoin, right? Above 100,000, the next short squeeze is 108,000. But the very exciting thing is we saw a dominance collapse yesterday. Well, not a collapse, but a rejection, right? So not only is Bitcoin starting to coil up now, get ready for a short squeeze, that dominance chart now actually rejected. And I want to show you something here, which is very interesting as well. Look at the elections, guys. You know, when people walk in, what's it called? Inauguration, that thing, right? Look at this. This was 2017 when Trump walked in the doors. Massive bull market, right? When Biden walked through the doors, even good old Biden, right? When he walked through the doors. Okay, and now look where we are. Quite interesting, right? If this doesn't look very similar to this, then I don't know what does, right? But now we're getting there and the next major event, because why? This week we focus on a few things. So the PPI goes our way, we're going to get the first short squeeze. CPI goes away, we're going to get the second short squeeze. Now what I think is going to happen is I think the market's going to start squeezing into the excitement of Trump walking through. And then I do think we start the mega squeeze to the upside over there as well. And I want to speak about Bitcoin dominance coming down and preparing. You could see the markets had a good bounce yesterday. If we look here, altcoins, good bounce. A couple of tokens are giving us some hints. I gave you guys virtuals at an incredible buy. That thing is up a lot, right? 𝗏𝗏𝗡 is just dominating. Love 𝗏𝗏𝗡. Doing great. But a couple of coins, Algorand, okay, Litecoin, Lido, 𝗬𝗢, okay, we're going to go through these. Curve, okay, a couple of tokens I want to speak about today, but I don't think you have much more time, guys. You need to be aware of two things. Aware that right now the market has hit resistance and now having a small pullback, right? But we've had a nice little rally to the upside, okay? So the pullback buys are important. And then I need to give you the important trend lines that don't waste any time now. Okay, when this market breaks these damn trends, the market is going to move and it's going to leave a lot of people behind, and we are not going to be those people. So can I see the like button, or who got some good buys? Can we get those likes up? Who got some good buys? I see so there's some excitement in the chat, which is very nice to see as well. Okay, but who got some good buys? Who's ready to go? Who believes with me? Who realizes that this is still a bull market and alt season hasn't even begun? Okay, and we are this close. I want to see lights go up. So no more wasting time. Let's spend time with you guys. I've got a lot of altcoins to go through today. Let's prepare for the next rally. Let's get the best damn interest in the market. And let's make our money back. Plus, let's make a lot of damn interest. No more wasting time. Let's go.
I try and help everyone in my space, and this is what I get. I try and fight the devils, but inside I'm just like sniper. Welcome to Sheldon Show.
So fam, Brandon's trying to hit the subscribe button. I'm happy that I don't hear myself today, Matt. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Usually I'm hearing myself by the time this happens. Guys, remember to start off over here. 2 weeks time, I am starting another sniper school cohort. Okay, so if you're watching this right now, get your damn self educated and get ready for the damn bull market. You need to know the basics. You need to know trend lines. You need to know how to take trades, how to put stop losses. You need to know how to do it in order to succeed. If you are going to shortcut your tools, you're going to struggle the bull market, and we don't want that. We want this to be the best and smartest community. Click on this link over here, Sniper School, and join Sniper School for free. Okay, let's jump into a couple of things. First thing to speak about. What's everyone there? We're 70% bullish, 69% bullish. Nice. Okay, guys, so we obviously got Trump walking through the doors, and it's quite interesting to look at a couple of charts. The charts here to obviously look at first is Bitcoin, to see where Bitcoin's at. Okay, and this is reminding me very much to the 2021. okay, when we basically had Biden walk through the doors. You can see that the market also pre-pumped quite a bit. Okay, Bitcoin actually went from $4,000 all the way to that $20,000 mark, right? When that all happened in that time, that excitement. And then you could see that Bitcoin also slowed down for around 4 weeks. Okay, it slowed down, and then Biden walked through the doors, and we actually went into the mega bull run. Why? Why? Because new president walking through the doors, promised all the changes. Everyone gets a little bit of hope again. Market starts to get a bit excited, and people start to de-risk, right? People start to flood within the markets, start to spend money again. After a couple of months, realize that the world's still in a bad place, and then they start selling off, right? But nonetheless, we're about to go through a little bit of excitement. A little bit of hope is going to come within the markets, okay? And that's going to get people to start taking on risks, and the FOMO is going to start beginning. Right. So when everyone was again a couple of days back starting to change their ideas and things like that, it was important for us to stay into the mission and understand, you know what, this was a 4-week correction, but we have a damn 12 months to focus on, right? And you got to zoom out. And I've always said it, that the best way to stay calm within this market is just plan on making a lot of money in 12 months. Don't plan on making a lot of money in 7 days. Right? As long as you do that, you're going to survive the chops. You're going to get through this patch, and you're going to focus on the bigger picture, and you're going to get to the ultimate goal that you are looking for. But this is quite exciting, right? This is quite exciting that the charts are lining up pretty good and pretty strong. And we could see that the moment that the Biden did walk through the door, and even the times before that within Trump walking through the doors, you can see the market really starts to extend, and Bitcoin itself starts to extend as well. Okay, but what was also very interesting, and this is what excites me quite a bit, right, is we go look at the Bitcoin dominance. This chart is going to blow your mind, right? And well done to the 𝗦𝗦𝗡𝗏 team for bringing this to my attention. Okay, look at this. Look at the 2 times before this, right? Look when the presidents walked into the door on Bitcoin dominance. Do you see what I am seeing? Do you see this? Look at that. Bitcoin dominance is at 95%. Okay, Trump to walk through the doors. Why? Now, again, what did I explain to you now? I explained to you that the whole of 2024 was not about retail coming into the market. It was about big investors and big money to get into the market, right? That's why Bitcoin pumped to $60,000 or $70,000 and then went sideways for many, many, many months. In those many months, ETFs started to go through, BlackRock started to invest, MicroStrategy started to buy all the damn Bitcoin supply. All these things were happening when no one was really interested within crypto. So 2024 was accumulation for me. It was for the big dogs to get in, right? Now we're going to get into take profit season, which for me is going to come within this year when the market starts to extend. And the way it basically works then, like I explained yesterday, is they send the damn altcoins. Altcoins start to go viral. Okay, everyone on the street starts to make ridiculous money. Remember last cycle when Dogecoin was making all TikTokers tons of money? Do you remember when all of these things were happening at that time? Okay, this is what brings in all the people within crypto. What that does is it basically takes that, let's say we are 20% of the people now, 80% of the people are about to come in. Okay, so I would say about 5 times to 10 times the amount of people are about to enter crypto. What that creates is a ton more liquidity, right? And these people are not educated. They don't know markets. They just heard from an uncle that managed to make some money and bought himself a car. Okay, and they just went on Instagram and they saw this guy's got a Lamborghini and this guy's got a thing, and they're like, I'm in, baby. And they go and they sell everything, they take their lifetime savings, and they all in, right? That's what happens. You get a bunch of uneducated, but a lot of people. That's the difference. Bull markets, you can go up to 20, 30, 40, 50 million people, right? Bear markets, you're down to 3 million. Okay, that's the difference, right? The 3 million is the one that makes money off of the other 27 or 30 million people. That is the numbers. That's how it works within crypto. So what crypto needs now is it needs a lot of people. When a lot of people start coming in, the markets start to go into those hyper emotions, right? It starts to go into that super excitement, that super euphoria. And that's, again, with the uneducated or those who really don't understand this are going to put irresponsible money within, because there's actually, people underestimate how much money retail has. Retail has a lot of money because there's a lot more people. Okay, a lot more people. So as that all starts to get exciting, so does the charts. Things just start to extend, right? Very quickly. And that creates a lot of buying volume, which allows take profits to happen for billions, people that hold billions and billions and billions of Bitcoin and cryptos and all these sort of things. So I think we're at that stage now. And if you look at this chart again, it's very interesting that the last 2 times the presidents walked in the door was the damn Bitcoin dominance top. Okay, not only was it the top, look how much we climbed into it. Look at that, guys. This is a crazy stat here. Now we are here. And I've been saying that, hey, these lower highs here, and it was nice to see rejection yesterday. These lower highs here, it's coming, baby. It's coming. And that's one thing that I could say. Stop worrying about short-term losses, right? Because they are nothing. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. Stay in the game. Don't go away. Okay? Because when that fat weekly drop happens over there, and remember, when the drop happens, everyone's going to make money very quickly. But we are getting near the end of the cycle. Okay, things speed up at the end. So when things start to speed up now, I expect it to be an insane couple of months, but we are getting near the end of this bull cycle. Then the market will go into a bit of a bear, go into a sideways, and then it will restart again. And you know what? You know what? I also want to excite you today because I don't think we're going to wait another 4 years for the next bull cycle. I think the cycles are changing. Okay, I think they're going to be a lot shorter now. I think that if this market decides to go up now crazy amounts for the next 6 to 9 months, right? I think it's going to go down for about 3 to 6 months, sideways for 3 to 6 months, and I think we're back in action in 12 months after that. I don't think these 4-year cycles are going to continue for that much longer because there's going to get a certain point where there's just so much interest within crypto. It's going to go whenever the hell it wants. Okay, but we are now at that phase now, and we can truly say that adoption is coming, right? Adoption is definitely coming within crypto, and this is the mega run to make that happen. So that is a very interesting stat over there. That this is basically saying Trump walked through the door, get ready for damn Bitcoin dominance collapse. And this is why I love TA, because many people have opinions on this. No, but this is happening in the world, but this is happening. I work on a damn chart. When a chart tells me that a line's breaking and a chart tells me that at this time, that's exactly what I'm doing, right? And it's done me very well in my life within crypto so far. I didn't even need to know what Ethereum is, right? I still don't know what Ethereum is. I know it's a chain, and I know people can build on it, and I know it's expensive. But other than that, I don't know crap about Ethereum. Don't ask me about Solana. Don't ask me about Sui. Don't ask me about Base. Don't ask me about any of these things. I don't know, okay? But I trade the crap out of them. And I use them for volume, and I use them to make money because I'm here to financially free myself. And while I'm financially freeing myself, I will start learning what these basic things are. Okay. So now let's go through. Is there any other? Was there total 3? No total 3 chart, right? On the was there? Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. This is where Biden walked through the doors, guys. Do you see why we've been saying that this is not alt season, right? It's very similar to here, right? Because if we go look at the percentages, these percentages were also huge, right? If you go look at the percentages at this time, from the lows here up to the rally there, that's 700%, right? If we go look at where we are now, from the bottoms to the highs, that's 300%. Right? So if you just take the scale, and this is why you can not 100% understand that there's way more money in crypto this cycle than what there's ever been within crypto, is that was 700% growth to there. This is 300% growth to there. So zoom the hell out and know what real alt season actually looks like. That is what alt season looks like. Look at that. But do you see how it comes to an end, right? Do you see how it comes to an end at some point? So again, so exciting times, guys. So that's looking really good. Again, when we start coming to the altcoins, they're starting to print some great candles. There is Theta, great candle, starting to engulf the week before. We look at AVAX, the pin bar candles are incoming. That's a great candle, inverse head and shoulders on ETH. Okay, so we can see here that the market on the high time frame is printing good candles. Now let's zoom into the lower time frames and let's start to prepare. So yesterday I spoke about this scenario, right? Basically said, okay, cool. Market's going up. We can pre-dump into a CPI. We dumped a little bit and we pumped up. And now what you have is you've got Bitcoin sitting at the big daddy trend line. Right? That's the big trend over there. So what does that mean? That now means the next short squeeze is now getting ready, right? And the next short squeeze is from $100,000, from $101,000 is the breakout, okay, to $108,000, back to all-time highs, right? So now it makes sense that the market slows down here a little bit, and when it gets ready to pop through this, the next move is going to be massive. Okay, but the exciting part about the next move, and I'll jump back to Bitcoin in a second, is look what happened yesterday to Bitcoin dominance. I am so happy we rejected. Like, so happy. I was like, wow, okay, dominance wants to go on another rally, right? No, we got the best news we could yesterday when it came to the dominance. It rejected. Okay, not only did it reject, it printed its first lower high. So what that means for me now is when Bitcoin is going up, dominance is going down. Okay, and when Bitcoin's coming down, dominance is going up. This has changed in the last couple of days, and this is great news for us altcoin holders, right? So what we need, and I agree with this very much, what we need is this.
三风望这么南要开湖边湖岸家将近，一阵狂风么三个浪，雪高哈这么山呀湾。
We need the bulls, baby. We need the bulls, right? We need the damn bulls, okay? Because look at this now. So what I'm seeing on the short time frame now, small push up in dominance and get ready for another damn leg down. When dominance starts to lose this trend over here, it is going to accelerate, okay? And when it starts to accelerate, we're looking at Bitcoin dominance not only go down to where it was. So what does that mean in my brain? All altcoins go back to where they were, right? ETH back to 4K, Solana back to $260. All these alts go back to where they were. Some of them will break the highs, right? But then after that, okay, zoom the hell out and understand that that is a lower high on Bitcoin dominance. Okay, so the first thing we need to see is lose this trend line. Second thing is lose this low. What that will indicate for us then is this is known as an ABC, and get ready for Bitcoin dominance to come down to the low 50%. This will be the biggest altcoin pump that you have seen this cycle yet. Okay, what does that mean again on the altcoins? Remember this beautiful flag I showed you guys yesterday? We broke it. We broke it, right? That was exactly where we were yesterday. We're like, wait, bull flag. Now, if you zoom out and you look at what we're breaking on the altcoins, this is good. We are not far. We are one short squeeze away from the entire dump being gone on altcoins, right? So it just shows you the opportunity that Solana's got to go 30% back to the highs, right? The GRT's everything back to the highs, but look at where the total market cap is doing. And that is, again, a big reason is XRP, right? XRP is adding a lot of liquidity to altcoins right now. Now, what happens when ETH gets involved and Solana gets involved and all the top chains get involved? Okay, and they all start playing part of the game. That's when you're going to see insane acceleration and in the dominance collapse, right? And the dominance drop to the downside. So going here on the total 3, this is good. And what it's implying for you two today is buy this current dip that is happening. And there's 2 levels that you're going to buy it at. 1, you're in buy zones right now on a bunch of altcoins. 2, have a little bit for a 5% cheaper, but this one is definitely not guaranteed. The best thing that this market can do right now is go up and not pull back, because what that's going to do is everyone that lost interest over here, they don't know what the hell to do right now. Do I sit on my hands? Do I FOMO in? Do I do that? What the hell do I do, right? So the best thing to do is in their brains right now, oh, market's going to pull back. I'm going to wait for a pullback. Then they wait. Then they wait, right? Then they keep waiting, and they keep waiting, and the market doesn't damn pull back. That's max pain, right? And that's why it always shows you that opportunities do not last. They feel like they last a lifetime when you're in it, but they don't actually last that long. Okay, so again, from here, 2 big buy zones on alts today. Let's quickly go through what I think Bitcoin is going to do. This is what I think Bitcoin's going to do. Okay, this is what I think Bitcoin's going to start doing. I think the market's got some momentum in it, and I don't think it's going to stop. Right, so this pullback now, we're slowing down at the trend line. This gets everyone's hopes up that the market's going to pull back. I see Bitcoin, if it does, pull a little bit more than what it is now. Bitcoin's around the $97,000, $98,000 zone, and then we get going. Where the short squeeze happens, and remember, what's very important about the breakout yesterday versus the breakout we had 2 weeks ago, is the breakout we had 2 weeks ago didn't get past 618. Remember? It basically went down, and it did not get past 618. And because of that, we dropped. And that's why I said yesterday, we are in the same place again, because now we dropped and we're at 618, we better break it, and we damn smashed it. Okay, which is really to tell us now that this wall here is now gone. Okay, and now what it does is it turns 618 into support, and we get going and get ready for, again, I will not be surprised for $110,000 Bitcoin by Sunday. With Trump walking in on Monday, I will not be surprised at all. And what will make it even better is obviously that dominance collapse to the downside. They'll be fantastic. So what that looks like on a bunch of your altcoins, guys, looks like this. Look how everything is right in resistance. Look at Theta on the trend. Pull back now, baby, and we go, right? You look at things like AVAX. AVAX broke resistance. The short squeeze is now in play. Break into this zone, retest, and go, baby. Look at ETH. There's ETH in the zone, entering the zone. Your zones here are basically the 3,250 and the 3,3. There's ETH in the zones. Look at that. All we are doing is something that we couldn't get a breakout from, right? We have now just turned that into support. That is very bullish, and that gives you opportunity today to buy your damn tokens. And I'm still telling you, okay, that me personally, I think your ETH, your AVAXs, your injectors, I think they are still high quality tokens that are on massive discounts and specials, and they are not going to stay at these prices longer. Before you worry about memes and AI agents and in these things, okay, you know me, I'm going massive on the AI agents as well. But before that, I got to realize that the highest quality tokens are on special right now, and they will not stay there for much longer. After that, I can leave myself 10% and go play with all the fluff after that and all the little things, okay? But the high quality tokens are in good zones. Your 𝗘𝗫𝗣𝗘's coming down. That's why it's telling me the market can come down a little bit more and then get ready for liftoff. So it probably gives me an idea that the market wants to pull back into market open, right? And then market open comes and we start getting going. Keep eye on Doge. Doge is busy tickling a major trend line over here. Okay, Casper, I gave that to you yesterday. Off to the races. I gave you guys Algo 2 days ago and yesterday. And this thing is now, look at that. Okay, look how this thing has ripped 23%, okay, since we spoke about it. But not only that, look how it's breaking resistance now. Short squeeze, baby. Short squeeze. And what this means is dominance is starting to weaken. When last did you look and see these type of gains on a 24 base where they just came very quickly like this? And not all of them, some tokens. Okay, and that's when dominance is down. Even if Bitcoin's going sideways, some of these tokens will pop every day. A new token's popping. This is why it's so important to have a diversified portfolio and make sure that you have your basket spread a little bit, especially when it comes to your long-term and your bull market portfolio. There is your chain link right into resistance. Okay, so it's showing you the short squeeze. Oh, we got into the store chain trade. Okay, and I'm going to show you that there's another big add-on incoming. It's a breakout and a retest. Sniper Club. Pay attention. It's going to happen there. XRP breaking the highs. XRP's road to $3.6, baby. Looking incredible. Remember the tokens I gave you yesterday, and the retests are coming in today. Atom is in a buy zone. Cosmos, great ecosystem in a buy zone. Okay, Polkadot, brilliant buy zone. Popping its head out the trend, getting ready to start. Because you know what comes next, guys? Volume and hype comes next, which means the price goes like this and it speeds up very quickly. And then the drunk people come flying through the door. So I'm telling you again today, if you like the alcohol have a tequila. Okay. If you like theta, have a tequila. Have a Chainlink tequila today. Have a Atom tequila today. Have. Because in 2-3 weeks from now, we're not going to drink anymore. We're going to drink water. Okay. Which means, what does that mean? So water is cash and alcohol is coins. Okay. So that's what we're going to do right now. Get rid of the cash. No financial advice, but throw it through the damn door. No more cash. Cash is for sissies, right? But in a couple of weeks' time, when everyone's telling us cash is for sissies, then we go back to cash, okay? And we keep going within the cycle. So we look at that. Cardano is waking up. Keep an eye on a massive Cardano breakout. It's not here yet, but a break of 1.1. Big Cardano breakout incoming, right? Couple of coins today to focus on. And I would buy, okay? Litecoin. No one can tell me shit about trading altcoins anymore. I had a whole year of not only ran the entire audience, Sheldon just trades altcoins, last cycle coins. Oh, boring. Oh, who's your biggest gainers now? XRP, right? Cardano's waking up beautifully. HBAR. Yeah, these are coins 2 years ago, baby. They 5 years ago, 6 years ago. The altcoins, yes, because they have credibility. They've been through bear markets. They've survived bear markets. They will always have good runs, right? Because they've been there before. Okay, so there's Litecoin. There's my damn old coin that's in over there, and it's shiny. It's very shiny. It broke trend yesterday, retesting, and there's a great trade for the day. So there's that. Here's another old coin. Okay, is Curve. Let's go, baby. Curve is sitting beautifully, retesting the zone. Get ready for a Curve rally. Another thing to pay attention to, here's Lido. Okay, Lido, and these guys are spot trades. If you wanted to trade leverage today, I would focus on your Solana. Oh, yeah, things actually waking up right now. Things are waking up. Oh. There we go. Where's this account at now? Let's go look. Here, futures accounts. Oh, it's back up. Look at that. So yesterday I put in $28,000 on Solana, and it's on $63,000 profit now. and I put in $17,000 on Rune, that's on $21,000 profit now at this point. Okay, so again, I guarantee you this account's going to be just as big as this big account. Okay, and I only put in 20% of the money because I took advantage of the dump. I took advantage when everyone was selling and panicking. I didn't have all the money in the world to spend. I was already in the market, but I sold 2% and I went in. And that's the difference between those who fight on. Oh, look at that. We deserve this pump. Look at this. Oh, bro, it's going to happen. Oh, I know December was hard, guys, but I'm just proud for those who stayed through it. You deserve it. You deserve it. You deserve it. I really hope your altcoin bags pump through the moon, and I hope you're all financially free. I really do. Bottom of my heart. Every day, Matt, we build shows, the whole team here. We do whatever we can, and all we want is you just to damn change, to just have this opportunity. So I hope this dominance tanks all the way down to 30%, and I hope you financially change your life. I really do. It will make me very happy. Very happy. Okay, let's see what else he's starting to. Okay, keep eye on a theta breakout. Later, all of them. Algorand's going again. There's Cass over there. Guys, let's allow the market to open. I'll be back tomorrow with brand new calls. Just make a lot of damn money. Today, I do think you should be, no financial advice, but I think you should be 90 to 95% deployed in the altcoins and then get ready, be patient. Love you lots. See you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Goodbye.